Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best mini sewing machines that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Sotek dual-speed mini sewing machine. Coming ninth is a Sotek sewing machine with 12-stitch and double speed. In addition, it is also characterized by different useful features such as cylinder sewing, winding, reverse sewing, and much more. This sewing machine's other powerful features are that it offers multiple sewing facilities that include sewing handkerchiefs, a button, quilts, or sleeve. Furthermore, you can still use it to adjust and stitch clothes based on your imagination and comfort. This imagination may include 12 patterns. It supports double thread sewing, making fabrics and clothes stronger and stable. This Sotek mini sewing machine also features powerful and automatic needle threaders that flawlessly push thread right through the needle. Moving on at number 4, we have the Hopeson mini sewing machine. The Hopeson mini sewing machine comes with a large extension table. This makes it convenient to handle different projects. Furthermore, it is very stable when sewing. Being small in size, it is simple to store or carry to different places. Uniquely, it is suitable for daily sewing and DIY. Next, it has 16 stitching modes that meet different demands. Therefore, you can use it to design different designs. Most importantly, it has high and low speeds. This makes it perfect for beginners and professionals. In addition to that, it weighs 8.83 pounds. The sewing kit has 42 pieces. More specifically, it has 32 bobbins, 5 needles, 1 scissor, 1 thimble, 1 threader, and a soft ruler. At number 3, we have the GOOWJUER mini sewing machine. This mini sewing machine from GOOWJUER is lightweight and portable with an extension table. Its extension table provides ample operation space, making it perfect to sew on dense fabrics. Moreover, it can be carried using your shoulder bag for outdoor usage. The mini and portable design help you sew the hem of trousers, collars, and other places. Apart from this machine also features a button switch and a pedal switch for your use. What's more, the dual-thread design alongside cross-sewing of bottom thread and upper thread deliver high-quality sewing and ensures solid seams for all sewing tasks. Having all these beautiful features, this sewing machine gives you a great sewing experience. In all honesty, it comes with a built-in LED lamp, 2-speed control, plug power, and automatic rewinding. The speed control function helps in switching between high and low speed. Lastly, it can sew any material, including curtain apron, tablecloth, bedspreads, curtains, jeans, and more. At number 2, we have the Jeteven handheld mini sewing machine. This mini sewing machine by Jeteven is a perfect gift for emergency sewing projects since it's lightweight and portable. On top of that, the Jeteven sewing machine is also accompanied by 39 pieces rich accessories that include an instruction manual, gift box, 5 spare needles, stitch remover, measuring tape, needle threader, power adapter, scissors, 12 bobbins, extension table, foot pedal, and 12 thread. Its foot pedal is used in controlling speed while your hands are busy sewing. What's more, this sewing machine has a power adapter to enable you to turn on its switch button for automatic sewing. Next, it supports double thread stitching that is a straighter, neater, and firmer craft. Having an extension table, it will help finish large-scale projects faster. You can sew bags, shirts, t-shirts, pants, and toys for your kids at home. And lastly, it is great for artisan, DIY enthusiasts, and beginners. And finally at number 1, we have the Owensi mini sewing machine. Mini sewing machines by Aonesy are versatile, convenient, and small in size. However, this sewing machine is great in performance and features. Its compact size makes this machine a great option and easily portable for beginners who desire a no-frills machine. On top of that, you can sew any attire using this mini machine. Whether you want to sew blouses, mini skirts, pants, dresses, or shorts, this machine will handle them perfectly. You can tailor any style and design that you desire. Moreover, Aonesy mini sewing machines can even sew lightweight fabrics like suede or cotton. It is then characterized by 12 built-in stitches, including buttonholes, blind hem, 1 decorative stitch, and much more. In sum, the package comes with 4 thread bobbins, a button foot presser, an AC power adapter, a metal thread cutter, 4 needles, a manual, and a foot pedal. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.